Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Cedro Finance. This is an airdrop video that I already covered in December, and today we are going to check some updates and news and what is the state of this possible airdrop. So we are going to cover the step-by-step of my previous video on how to participate. The testnet is still active since December, so we are going to cover that and a couple of news about the ecosystem. So if you are already doing Cedro Finance airdrop or you want to check it and start to do it, please check this video and see it until the end. And I want to comment you about some other hot airdrops that are in this moment. The Bella airdrop, this could be huge and is a confirmed airdrop for beta testers. So go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net and check this video. Here you have the step-by-step on everything that you need to do in order to participate for this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, today I just want to give you some updates on the Cedro Finance. I have been following this since December. You can see I posted this the 2nd of December. So here you are going to be able to do the step-by-step on how to test everything. So if you want to participate on this possible airdrop, check this video and follow the steps here in order to participate. Right now we are in the testnet mode, so you don't need to spend anything. It's going to be a test free, and it's basically the same that we have been doing since December. So check this video if you want to do the airdrop. It's going to be in the description of this video. So one of the news and updates for this video is that Cedro Finance raised 1.5 million to build an omnichain future, and this was launched on February 7. So this was a pre-seed round, and you may say, well, 1.5 million is not that big amount, but this is only for operations and continuation of the project. And if you are not familiar what Cedro Finance is, basically it's an omnichain liquidity platform that lets users lend and borrow across chains seamlessly, and raised the fund in a round led by Shima Capital. Infinite Ventures, Scrap Crypto, and Max Network also participate in the round. Cedro Finance is in the Bay Area and was founded in June the last year by the Stanford undergraduate Rachin Kalantari, and you can see here the Twitter. He was at Stanford, and you can check him in his Twitter if you want to know more about the CEO. But in this bear market, at least having another seed round and continuation of the project, I think this is a bullish news. Many of the projects on the crypto market go to zero or disappear completely. So at least we see some progress here in February on the continuation of the building of the project. The Twitter, even if we started in December, it's only 40k followers. It's not growing exponentially for what I would like to see. And I will compare Cedro Finance with Zeta Chain. Zeta Chain, I already covered 2 videos in October and November. I recommend you to check it if you want. I think if I compare Cedro Finance against Zeta Chain, I think Zeta Chain is also an omnichain DeFi product and protocol, but they have a lot of pump and hype around that. Also, some venture capitalist firms interested and putting money on Zeta Chain, but because it's kind of the same concept, I think in terms of community, in terms of advance, you would like to check also Zeta Chain. Another good news for Cedro Finance was this on February 8, that they added Ethereum, Polygon, and Arbitrum as new part of the Cedro testnet, so users can lend and borrow across these chains. And that basically means that if you go to the application, which is app.cedro.finance, before you only have 2 networks, and now you also have Polygon, which of course you need to use all the testnets from each of the blockchain. But you have a Arbitrum testnet, the Polygon Mumbai, and also Garlic testnet. Before we have Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, and Avalanche, but you can see how you can improve your experience on the DeFi ecosystem with an omnichain protocol. You can do everything on these networks, like borrow and lending into any of them. But again, if you want to participate and do these airdrops, it's really easy, so check my video on this step-by-step on Cedro Finance, how to do that. The link is in the description. And it's really easy because to get the Faucet tokens, you get it here from the Cedro itself. You get all the tokens for the different testnets. So it's really easy to participate and do transactions here. And also, if you see that video, you are going to be able to go to the crew tree of Cedro. But don't worry, because this one is a small one. You only have a couple of quests to do a task. So I really think if you are interested in fill out all the requirements for an airdrop on Cedro, you can do it, because there are not many things. That is a very positive thing. Many projects are really taking advantage of users, and they put like hundreds of quests on the crew tree. So in that term, I think Cedro Finance has been doing it good, not abusing of the users here on crew tree. Something that I will say that I don't like too much is that in the Discord there are not too much news about the progress or partnerships. If you go to the Twitter, you could find some other partnerships with another protocols, but the Discord of Cedro is actually super simple and without too much movement. So I would like to see more growth on the community. And they have 20,000 members. It's not that it's a really small Discord channel. I think they are lacking in terms of hype and integration with community. That is why in this update I just want to mention, because you have Cedro Finance on my application to do all that. And if you go to the subscription part on my website, you will know and see how my application works. I will say that you still can do the requirement task for Cedro, but just 1 or 2 per week, that will be enough, because we really don't know how much we are going to get from that airdrop. Seeing the news and seeing the community that is not really pumping too much, I will be cautious. I would not expect too much on this airdrop, and we don't have yet a date of that airdrop. But are we going to have an airdrop or not? Well, answering that question, you can go to the documentation of Cedro Finance, and if you look for the token, you are going to see the token economics. And yeah, from the total token supply, which is 500 million, 50% of that total supply will be used for community development purposes and vested linearly for 4 years. This is basically airdrops and incentives for the community. So they are allocating the first 50%, which I think is a lot, guys. Not usually so common to that happen. So maybe I am underestimating this possible airdrop, and maybe we get a lot of tokens, even if the value is not that much. We could get a couple of hundreds or even in the thousands. But again, be cautious, make your own decisions about this. I just wanted to give you an update on Cedro Finance. We have some good news. Other stuff doesn't look too bullish to me in terms of community, but they continue building and they are adding more networks into the testnet. So make your own decision. You can use my application if you want to really make a jump and be an airdrop hunter. My application will help you to register all your progresses on airdrops, and it's really easy to do it with all my videos already loaded into the app. So just doing a couple of clicks, you can register everything, but you also can add your custom airdrops. So you don't need to do only the things that I mentioned in my YouTube video. The application will help you besides my YouTube channel and my projects reviews. And I cannot be tired enough to tell you that in Discord we are killing it, guys. Right now we are super bullish with the beta launch, so you can try this if you didn't. We have a confirmation, and I personally have a confirmation for the team, that we are going to get the airdrop if we test the Vela exchange on the beta. Right now, if you go to the website of Vela Exchange and try the app, we are in the beta stage. In order to get a lot of on the airdrop, you need to do a lot of volume there. So in Discord, we are really up to this. We are really hoping to get a lot from this airdrop. So check my video on Vela airdrop, and please use my referral link. It's there in the description of the steps. And you can join the community and check everything in my Discord about different airdrops, and not only the airdrops that I cover, but airdrops that we only talk about in the Discord channel. And the last comment, guys, is that Factor DAO, this is Arbitrum Gem. I did a video 2 days ago. I put some capital there just in order to gamble a little bit. Do your own research, guys. I hear some FUD about the team members, but yeah, this is a pre-sale that is still, you have 24 hours or 12 hours, it will be now. So you can check that video, and this is happening in the app of Camelot Exchange This is a factor fair action. Right now it's 22 hours left and they already raised 7.5 million. At this moment the price will be 75 cents per token if we close the pre-sale right now. I think we could get into the 8 million or 9 million even during this last 24 hours. So if you want to enter into this pre-sale, check the link on the description for Factor DAO, and I have all the steps here and everything that you need to do here in order to get into the public sale. Here is my referral link. You support the channel if you use it, and you are going to need USDC to enter into the Arbitrum blockchain and participate on the app of Camelot. Again, do your own research, guys. I don't want to, if this after the public sale dumps, I don't want you to be angry with me, because I am just only reviewing this project because I personally put money on it, but I am not telling you to enter. For no means, do your own research. So guys, those are the updates on Sidro Finance and also a little bit of what we are talking about in the Discord channel. Following Bella, Factor DAO was actually told by some users on the Discord. I wasn't aware of the public sale before, so thanks to them. And in terms of OmniChains, I would recommend you to check the Zeta Chain videos that I did and participate. I am still doing transactions on Zeta Chain. I am super bullish actually in that project, and keep my eye on all the news about Zeta Chain. So guys, that is all for the video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.